And the reason I'm going to Oregon is because I've been invited to do a very special event to film with other creators and with other developers. And so, yeah, I got my little airplane snacks or whatever, and this is just like my little layover, and I'm on my way to Portland.
Shooting in freeway as soon as we completely get this aircraft deplane.
All right, so boom. I don't know who taught Portland, Oregon how to make sugar grits. This right here, this is authentic. This is good. And this is a really quaint, cool place. Very quaint, very cool, very funky. This is very tasty. It has a little bit of like an Indian spin to it, but really, really good. So the hotel is Jupiter Next. I have no idea what the name of the restaurant is. I literally just got out the cab out there and walked right into here. And I was like, I'm ready to eat.
Well, personally, I think I will go into. Just out there trying to help and trying to be.
Man, I'm not sure if you're in another Marine photos or not.
All right, I decided to go ahead and pick y'all back up. I'm in the room here, got myself kind of cleaned up a little bit, little something, a little fit. Got a nice dinner at the event. I'm still thinking about when I'm going to release this, if I can talk about it or not yet. But for now, got a little event, so I put on my clean clothes. I'm going to grab my chain in a minute. I'm liking Portland. It's this interesting mix of like industrial and then like the hills. I'm not sure if they're mountains proper, but the hills. And then like there's like a funky element, lots of like so I'm in a hotel that's in Midtown. I'm not in downtown proper. It's an interesting mix. A lot of homelessness, a lot of weed in the air. Don't know what that's all about. Anyway, about to go to a really nice dinner. It's me and a couple of other developers or what have you. I think one is a developer advocate, one is a software engineer, and we're gonna have us a nice dinner. I may or may not be able to film over there, but if I don't, we'll probably pick you all up either after the dinner when I come back here, or if not, pick you back up on tomorrow morning. All right, y'all, I've decided I'm gonna go ahead and reveal this. I don't know what I was thinking about. I was trying to be like respectful of the release date of a certain something. I am here to film the Web Dev Challenge with my man, Jason Lingsdorf. Super excited, at the same time, super nervous, never done anything like this before. I have coded in front of people before, like in conferences and meetups, but this is different. They're really up close and personal. Jason's got the professional team in the studio. So basically, go follow Jason. I'll try to put it up here somewhere, like the link to his channel. He's done a whole series of these where he has different developers come in to Portland. They film building some project together, then talk about it at the end. Almost kind of like your favorite cooking shows, things like that, but it's not a competition. It's just for learning, for fun, for growth. And it's like a reality show for developers. So somehow or another, I got invited. Shout out to, oh my gosh, my man Danny Thompson. Shout out to, I think, my man Mark Texan. Shout out to Mark Texan. And a few others. I was recommended to be a part of it. And so here I am. We're heading to the studio now. We're about halfway through the Web Dev Challenge. It's going okay. It's going okay. It's really funny how much you get in your head when there's a camera right there. And I mean, Jason has the most professional camera crew and lighting and audio, so that's a bit much. But coding wise, it's going okay. We're halfway through, just had some lunch together. Again, putting yourself out there, being able to get around people who will learn what you're capable of and be able to recommend you for things, that is always a positive. I get to represent myself, represent my company, get to play with some cool tools and products, get to learn how other people build. The process of going through this, you're hearing some of their processes as we take little breaks and have little updates. So really, really happy to be here. Shout out to Portland, Oregon. The neighborhood where this studio is, I really want to show you. It's like old and new, really new, cool neighborhood where Jason has his studio. But anyway, checking in at the halfway point with the Web Dev Challenge. What's up, y'all? The Web Dev Challenge is officially complete. Episode 6 here in Portland, Oregon with Jason Lingsdorf. Learn with Jason. Go follow him on YouTube, by the way. Go follow Jason Lingsdorf. Watch the other episodes. They are really cool, really exciting. Some of your favorite developers. Comes out in October, so go ahead and follow Learn with Jason. If I can, I'll like put a card or include a link or something like that. But either way, had a lot of fun, very exciting, a little nerve-wracking having a camera, like a whole camera crew over you as you're coding. Like, they see everything. I feel like I did a good job. I achieved what I wanted to achieve with my MVP. I'm not sure how I came across when it came to talking on camera. That was really awkward. So I might seem a little robotic. You know, if y'all want to pick on me in the comments, that's cool. I don't know how familiar you are with coding and talking on camera and back and forth. It was a lot. It was a lot for me, at least. Even though I'm used to being in front of a camera, like, this is a Canon, like, you can't tell, but I'm on a Canon right now, and usually I'm filming with my iPhone. This was a legit camera crew, lights, camera, action, boom mic, the whole 9 yards, and we're mic'd up. So that was a lot. Anyway, we cut it though. It's over. I'm grateful to have come. Looking forward to seeing other episodes. So Jason's buying everybody dinner, a steak dinner. I actually had to let him know, man, I'm gonna miss it. I'm out of spoons. I'm out of everything. Like, I just don't have that peopling in me anymore. So I'll either eat downstairs in the hotel restaurant, might walk up or down the street one way or another, and see what they have to offer. Good news is my flight is not until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, so I don't have to get up too early. I do have a couple of meetings with work because work continues. It's Tuesday. No, it's Monday. Tomorrow's Tuesday, a work day, so I do have work to do. But as far as like interacting with people, whatever, I'm done. I've done all that I can do and more. I might pick y'all back up if I actually go to dinner somewhere and I take the camera or my phone, whatever. We'll figure that out. But outside of that, Portland has been great to me, and looking forward to all of Jason's Web Dev Challenge series.
So I told myself, I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard.
We have left the hotel, walked down to downtown, went to the bridge, got some footage for y'all. Hopefully you've just seen that a minute ago. Sipping my way in a sizzle pie here. About to give me a little hot pizza, a little salad, a little drinky drink. Go ahead and show y'all what we're working with here. Got a big old salad. Can't even catch it all, man. Big old salad here. Got a little mushroom and spinach pizza action, hot pepperoni. About to go crazy. Alright y'all, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this Portland vlog. This has been a great time. It's outside on the balcony right now, getting a little more fresh air before I go back in, take a shower and go to sleep. But I also have a couple of meetings in the morning really early, so get some sleep so I can be well rested for that. Signing off from Portland, Oregon. Last time, big shout out to Jason Linksdorf, Mr. Web Dev Challenge himself. I thank him for the invitation, but even more importantly for the hosting. He showed what it is to be a great host. Oh yeah, shout out to that fire chicken sandwich, Jason. My goodness. Ah.